Join me for just a moment as I shut my machine off for just a minute, run to my truck, and grab some tape. So I'm gonna run over here. I'm gonna grab some blue tape. Why am I got blue tape? Well, I got blue tape because it doesn't stick and leave a residue, but mainly because we have an issue on this house that needs to be taped off. If you can see right there, they have one of those nice fancy dancy doorbells, one of those that has a little camera on it so they can see who's knocking on the door, stealing their packages, things like that. Well, because the surfactant we put in our house wash mix essentially makes what most people call water wetter, it can get down into even water resistant, waterproof type things. So when there's cameras or Ring doorbells, I usually tape them off pretty much all the time, put something over them, tape them off. A TV has to be covered, you know, with black plastic and taped and all that. So join me as I tape this off so nothing happens and their doorbell still works same when I leave as when I came. Doesn't want gloves on. Boop. So there we go. Am I still going to be careful as I'm spraying soap there? Yeah, but now I'm a little bit more protected and keeping that from getting damaged as we're cleaning the house and getting rid of the mold and mildew and making it look good. At least their doorbell will still work. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing.